Hi y'all, and welcome to Country Cooking. Today we're going to fix salmon cakes. I've already got in my bowl 2 cans of wild caught Alaskan pink salmon, and I did debone it and take some of the skin off because I don't like the bones. Somebody did tell me that you could keep the bones and it would be okay, but I never did like to feel the bones in when I am fixing this, so I always remove it. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Leave the bones or take the bones out? Okay, now to this we're going to add a small onion, a couple cranks of salt, a couple cranks of black pepper, and I'm going to put in half a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, now we're going to mix this together. Okay, then we're going to add a half a cup of flour, and we'll give it a stir. Okay, we got all that combined. Now what we're going to do is heat up some skillets. I'm using cast iron skillets. I'm going to let them get hot. Then I'm going to add oil to it. Now we're just going to drop it by rounded spoonfuls, and you can adjust the heat. You don't want it too high. I've got it on a number 4 on my electric stove. Just kind of shape it into a patty type. Okay, now we're just waiting for them to brown on the first side. Okay, it's been a few minutes and I've already turned this one. You just flip them all. They're looking really good. Okay, now we're just going to take them off and put them on a plate that's lined with paper towel. This is my last pan, and so far they have made 20 salmon cakes, and my children have told me they are delicious. Now if you want, you can saute the onions beforehand. I didn't this time, but feel free to do so. Okay, this is the final product. This is what it looks like. If we take, I don't know if you can hear the little crunch. And this is what it looks like. If you like this, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you for watching Country Cooking, and always remember, this is the day the Lord has made. Please rejoice and be glad in it. Thank you. Until next time.